Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can uninstall this particular app here. So first, you can come right inside here, the search bar, and when you click, you can type in the word settings, right? So if you notice yourself, this is settings, right? So you can actually type it in. So this is it. You click, and they take you right here. Then another way which you can do it, you come right here, startup menu, you click. This is service settings. You can actually come right here. Now, these are what you're going to see in your settings. But what you want to focus on right here is apps and uninstall. So you want to click on that. Now, when you click on it, it will show you all of the apps that install on the computer. You can come all the way out here and then take a time and scroll down to see the apps. But if that is too slow for you, you can put the cursor right here. If you're using a mouse, go along the left side of the touchpad, the right side, drag it down like that. Take a time and drag it down, take a time and come down that I can be able to see the apps that you're looking for. Alright, so now it shows me the apps. This is the apps. So I'm going to click right here. You notice I modify and install. So I'm going to click on uninstall. Now it says this apps and it's related will be uninstalled. I'm going to click on it again. And notice this is what it showed me. I'm going to click on yes. If you notice right here, it asks me sure that I want it to complete. Yes, and I want to say yes. Right here, if you notice right here, right, and it shows you exactly that it gone. So I come all the way here, just and I close it. You notice the apps is not here anymore. So this is how you uninstall an app from your computer. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.